If you're interested in seeing a little POV of what a pinstriper's life is, follow me here for a second. I just got a call a couple days ago from a local body shop that needs some pinstriping done on a race bike. Race motorcycle, whatever, it's paint. But I have no details. I know about as much as you do at this point. It's 7:30. I'm going to the body shop now to check this thing out and run some lines. Let's see what we got. Yeah. Huh. So just some stripes. Okay. So we're doing where?
Black here.
Black inside.
We're going to do red here.
Red on the outside.
And we're going to do blue on blue.
Blue on blue. All right. So red on. So this is red.
Yep.
Everything inside's black.
Yep. It's like silver.
And then blue around the outside on the blue.
That is correct.
Got it. I'm taking videos. Wave to the camera, Pookie.